morning, sir. Shania from fourth year CSE this side. Welcome to Weekends with Beck. I will be your interviewer today. Please tell us a little bit about yourself.
Thank you, Shania, for giving me this chance to have an interaction with you guys. I'm Dr. Manish, working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. And I think during the interview, you will dig many things about me. So you will come to know more things about me, I think,
We
during the
have
interaction.
we have a lot of questions for you. I
Uh,
asked students if there was something they really wanted to ask you, and
okay.
they gave me a couple of questions that they really want to know the answer to. So
Okay. So you should share the SID as well as the name of the student who has asked that question.
this was the condition that they posed that our identity will remain anonymous.
Okay.
So yes, of course. So how is everything going, sir? Are you still in Chandigarh?
I am in Chandigarh. Yeah, I'm residing in Peck.
Ah, that's great. And how is the lockdown time for you?
As everyone has spent this time in their home with their loved ones, so mere saath bhi this is a similar thing. I have brushed up my cooking skills like half
Right.
of the India has done. So it was a mixed experience. There was lots of time to, learn new things and to do the
Right.
things for which you normally doesn't get time. But this was
Yeah,
a period in which you can do whatever you want to.
yeah. Yes. I think we all agree we've picked up a few things that we did not have a time to pick up before.
Yeah.
And all right. So, is there any TV series or movies that you're currently watching, or you really like that you watched in the quarantine?
During lockdown, I have again watched Friends. Just to
Yeah.
it is evergreen series for me.
Yes.
And
Yes.
I have recently finished Arya. I don't know whether you guys have heard of this or not. Arya, that is a Hindi series on Hotstar.
I haven't watched it, but please
Okay.
tell us a little bit about it. What's it about?
It's about related to drugs and everything, and
Ah,
it
okay.
is of Sushmita Sen. She is the main
Ah,
character
okay,
in the
okay, okay.
series.
Oh, I think I saw a trailer of that. Ah,
Okay.
okay. Yeah, that's great. And so you watch Friends. Which is your favorite character in Friends? Rewatch Friends.
Monica,
Yeah.
Monica.
Ah, yeah. So you relate with all of her cleaning and organizing.
Yeah, a bit.
All right. So so this is a question that is posed
Mhm.
by our students. That
Uh-huh.
how did you came about choosing PEC as a place for your working? How did you choose PEC? How did you came about PEC?
Okay, I have done my master from NIT Kurukshetra, and
Mm-hmm.
after that I got a chance to do PhD with Professor Rajesh Bhatia. So when I was
Yes,
working,
yes.
when I was doing my PhD from here, so I got the opportunity to appear in the interview for regular assistant professor, and I got selected. So as a student, I have seen PEC. As a
Mm-hmm.
contractual faculty, I have worked here also for 6 months, and I think your class was the first one.
Yes, yes,
I took digital electronics, right?
yes, 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 yes.
So so I have seen the PEC in each and every from each and every angle, as a student
Mm-hmm.
as well as a contractual faculty as well as a regular faculty nowadays.
So you
So
liked the
for
environment.
most of the people think that teaching is a profession in which अगर कोई आता है if they don't have
Mm-hmm.
any other choice. But for
Yeah.
me, I have worked in Oracle Financial Services as well for a
Yes.
year. So
Yeah.
I have seen both the ways. I have worked in corporate in companies, and also I have done teaching. I was working with these GATE institutes in Sector 34. I worked with
Yes. Yes.
many of the GATE institutes. So I
Mm-hmm.
think then I have realized that I'm not meant for these corporate jobs. I'm meant for teaching. That's the reason I am here. So I think my students will know it better, but
Mm-hmm.
I feel myself. I think I am made for teaching.
Yes, yes, definitely, sir. Definitely. We have a very big group of students that really wanted to ask you a lot of questions. So you're definitely very popular among the students. Yes. So coming to the next question, what is the best lesson that you've learned from your students in all your years of teaching?
Okay, I think patience.
All right.
Yes, because they keep on asking me nowadays also that we need to have a Google Meet related to for group discussion. We need
Mm-hmm.
to get this type of marks. We need this question paper. We need this
Mm-hmm.
PPT. And
Yes.
because of this schedule, I keep on delaying the things, right?
Yeah.
So I think they keep their patience whenever they are communicating with me, and I think that is
Mm-hmm.
the thing that I have learned from most of the students. In fact, that उन्हें respect भी करनी है and still they are only asking for a certain thing.
Yes, yes, definitely, sir. And I think every one of us appreciates your very flexible and patient nature. In all of the times we've got our quizzes and assignments postponed. All right. So, is there a special place in Peck Market that you like to eat from? Your favorite place in Peck Market? Or do you not prefer Peck Market or outside of Chandigarh?
After I have seen that video that was posted on social media, so yeah, after that I
About the
avoid
rat?
Pack Market, eating in Pack Market.
Yes.
Uh,
So, which is your
there
favorite
is a
place to eat
place,
in Chandigarh
Dastan.
outside
I
of
don't
Peck?
know whether you have heard of that. Yeah, yeah.
Ah, yes, yes.
This
Sector
is
7. Yes, yes, definitely.
yeah,
They do a
yeah,
mix of Indian and a fusion
yeah.
cuisine,
Yes, exactly.
contemporary and Indian. Yes? Yeah. Oh, that's great. All right. What was the moment that you decided that you wanted to go into teaching? Like you've told us that
Yeah.
you were working in corporate. Was there a particular moment where you just wanted to just
There
leave
was no
corporate and go
particular
into teaching?
moment. Actually,
How did you start?
I graduated in 2009. So after then, there was a downfall in the market, right? So they delayed our joining in Oracle by 2-3 months, and they asked us to
Mm-hmm.
come in February. So we finished our
Yes.
BTech in, I think, July or August. After that, I was having those
Yes.
months, right, from July to February. I was free.
Mm-hmm.
So I gave to NIT
Yes.
Kurukshetra
Yes.
as assistant professor. At that time, they used to hire people with BTech also, right? So I got selected there. So
Yes.
for
Yes.
these months, I worked there, and I got an insight ki how what teaching is all about, right?
Yes.
So
Yes. Yes.
this was a starting phase where I started, uh, where I explored that what teaching is all about. And after that, in
Yes.
February,
Yes.
then I got an offer from Oracle. So I joined and I worked there
Mm-hmm.
in Bangalore, Bagmana Tech Park, I
Mm-hmm.
guess. वहाँ पर मैंने काम किया around एक साल के लिए, and there was no particular movement, but when I was in a situation where I can compare both teaching as well as working in IT. So
Yes.
I found teaching interesting.
Yeah. All right. And I think we're all very thankful that you chose teaching. And so this is the last question. And what is the your most favorite thing that you like about teaching and your least favorite thing that you don't like about teaching at Peck?
Uh, uh, I'll start with the least uh,
Yes.
like thing. It is about that student doesn't think that we have a personal life sometime, because they'll send you
Yes.
message at any particular time,
Yes.
and they want to get they want to get response in no time, right? So again, I have told you that I have learned patience from the students,
Yes.
but some students does not want to be, they just want the
Yeah.
reply in no time, so they'll keep on calling you. And maybe I'm the special one who is with whom the students are so open that they put your message and it. So that's the thing which bother me. And apart from this, I like each and everything about teaching.
There's no favorite. You like everything about teaching.
Going to the class and delivering the lecture and interacting with the students, I think, because
Yeah.
this online teaching is making us to realize that when we are standing in class and we have
Mm-hmm.
to ask the student just keep quiet and don't talk,
Mm-hmm.
and the scenario is completely reverse here. We have
Yes.
to we have to ask them to unmute and speak something.
Mm-hmm.
We have to
Yeah.
take the names of the student, answer this, and making them to speak in the class. So the best
Yes.
thing about teaching is going to the lecture hall and delivering the lecture.
I think we all also really miss coming to Peck. to
Yeah.
sit in the classes, even though the weather right now would be very unbearable because of
Yeah.
all the heat and humidity, but we still miss Peck because we also feel that there's a huge gap while you're delivering your lectures and we're attending the lectures,
Hmm.
and yeah, everybody misses Peck. Take it as my word. We really want to come back. All right,
Hopefully, you guys will join. At least I think you guys will be coming for the final exams
finals.
in the campus. Yeah.
Uh, I don't know if that has been set in stone right now, but I think
Mm-hmm.
there has been talks about us coming on campus, or I think they will give a choice that those who
Mm-hmm.
want to come to the campus and give the exams there, or something like that. But it's
Okay.
still to be decided. But I think
Okay.
I'm hoping that we have our next semesters in college. This is the last
Yeah,
semester
hope
that
so.
we're going to be there. So yes, we were very sad that our fourth year is having such a huge hindrance from all the
Uh,
lockdown and everything. Yeah, but
I
I
think
think
I started my career in PEC with you guys only.
yes,
It
yes,
was the
yes,
digital electronics I started,
yes,
no?
yes, yes. In our
And then
second semester. Yeah.
yeah,
So basically, our journeys have been linked from the start only,
yes,
from our
exactly,
first year. Yes,
exactly.
that's great. So this is the last part of our entire conversation, and it's the cliche rapid fire round.
Uh-huh.
We will give you options, and you'll just have to choose really fast from these options.
Okay,
Um, and there's just going to be 5 questions, and that's it. And then we'll be done for the conversation. All
okay.
right. So, Blackboard, Smartboard,
Blackboard.
or, samosa, salad,
Sell it.
theory, practical.
Practical.
What is your favorite food that you prefer
Food.
making yourself? Yes,
I can cook everything.
that you like to cook for yourself, that you really like eating.
Ah, I'm a very simple person. I think dal roti will work for me.
Yes, that's great. And TV shows, movies.
TV shows.
TV shows. All right, sir. Thank you so much for being here with us. We really
Okay,
appreciate
Shania.
it. And I'm pretty sure this conversation will be very, very, very popular amongst all of the students. And this is a great opportunity. Thank you for giving us time on a Saturday. We know weekends are supposed to be sacred. And yes, thank you so much, sir.
Okay, Shania. Thank you.